someone from Twitter sent me this. I have no idea what's in these, or what's in this. It's 2 phones. One of them is an iPhone, so I'm gonna open this up. But yeah, we'll see. Oh, nice, 5 and a Droid Turbo something. Yeah, there's a couple of scratches on it, but for the age of it, this is pretty good. So I'm gonna set this up real quick. Just set it up. Let's see what storage this is gonna be. I just signed in with my iCloud, so yeah, 16 gigabytes, 10.3.3 AT&T. So I was right on all of that. But yeah, this is still a good phone. So yeah, now I'm gonna use free utils to check the battery health. It turns out that this phone actually has over 1,000 charge cycles, so the battery is likely almost completely dead. And then I went over to the other phone, which was not working. It turns out that my cable was at fault, so I plugged in another cable, and it showed this green light. Okay, so I've let this thing charge off of a computer for a couple minutes. I'm gonna see if this is actually going to power on now. I'm holding the power button. Okay, we have a Motorola logo. And after that, the phone started doing nothing, so I left it on the charger for a good amount of time. Okay, now, there's a bunch of info on this. After resetting the device, the only problem that I've noticed is there's slight burn-in on the device, as you can see, but other than that, the device works perfectly fine. And as for the iPhone 5, it seems to work perfectly fine, other than the battery being a bit bad. Thank you for watching this video, and the same person is sending me 3 more phones, and I'll be recording me unboxing them when they come.